So currently we're working on a Volvo 123 GT, which there was only probably a few thousand of those produced, and a lot of them you see a left-hand drive. This is a right-hand drive UK car, and they was really built for homologation purposes, so they could go and do rallies. So they had to make so many before they could go do that. This is one of those. We've been working on it for probably about 3 years now, and we're kind of working in the finishing stages. So the whole thing has been took apart, welded. We're in the process now of putting it all back together again, and that's coming on really well. And I'm hoping to get that car all back together in the next 2.5 to 3 weeks. We're also working on a Volvo P1800, or some people would call it a Jensen 1800, because this was a pre-production model that would have been hand-built in the Jensen factory before they was produced in the Volvo factory. So just doing a little bit of work on that. That's really finished now. So we're waiting for that one to be collected. We went to Daventry on one open day on a Sunday as a body shop team, and I got talking to the guy that runs the Heritage collection, and he asked if we'd be interested in helping out with those cars in his collection, and we agreed to it, and before we know it, we've done several for him. So we've got a few cars that we've been working on recently that belong to the Volvo Heritage collection, and they're going to be showcased at the Kings Lynn Holden showroom opening in the next few weeks. So we're quite excited to get those there, and the one that we've got here, we're trying to get ready for that as well. So challenges are getting hold of parts, matching the paint. The paint that would have been used years ago on these cars is not modern paint that we use now. It would have been like a cellulose. To try and match a modern paint to cellulose now is pretty difficult. I quite enjoy these challenges. It makes you think, it makes you sort of want to get done and move on to the next challenge after you've completed this one. So that's really good as well. So we're the only body shop within the group, and also we're the only ones that do the restoration work as well on the classic cars. And it just adds another dimension to what we do.